You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question on section of a prism. This is the prism. We have been given our cross flower to be 60, and the height from where the cutting plane is cutting is 30, and at that point it is inclined. The cutting plane is inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal, and the height is 70. So let us kickstart. I'm going to pick a point. Let me see, I want to pick this point as the center. So at that point, I'll draw a circle of radius 30, because the diameter is 60. Radius 30. I'm going to measure 30 on my compass. To 2 is 30. From 5 to 2 will give me 30. This will look a little bit okay. Let's put it there, and I'll draw my circle. Draw my circle like that. Then draw a horizontal line. Because it is distance across flats, we're going to draw tangential lines. All the lines will be tangential. So we draw tangential line to this, tangential line to the one at the top, tangential line. Then you now draw tangential of 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees set square. Tangential like this. Bring it to this other side like this. Then come turn it around and draw this other side. Make sure it is tangential to it. Don't let the line enter into the circle. You should just touch the circle slightly. Shift it to this other side. It should just be tangential. Just touch the circle slightly like that. So with this one now, we can thicken the perimeter. Let's see. Thicken it like that. You can thicken it like this. So like this. Thicken this one too, and the top, and finally the bottom. So that is the plan of our prism. Now remaining the elevation. To draw the elevation, we're going to draw a vertical line. We're going to draw a vertical line from the two sides. It goes up like this, and this one too goes up like that. Then let me pick where I want to use as my base. Let me pick this point. Okay, let me pick this one like that. So from that point, I'll measure my 30 and my 70. 30 for the section cutting plane, 1 2 3. That's for the cutting plane. Then 70 for the height, 1 2 3 4. So this is the height. That is 70. So draw this one at the top like this. Then at this point, use 60 degrees set square to draw the angle. 60 degrees set square. This is 60 degrees set square. This side is 60. So you place it on your T-square like this, and you draw that. That's the cutting plane. Now let us now extend other sides of the other corners of the hexagon. This one goes like this, and this one goes upward. You can see the cutting plane is only cutting this side, it's not cutting this one. So we don't have any business here. We only have business with this point. So now let us label. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. After doing that, let's move them up. This will be 1. This place will be 2 and 6. And here, because there is no edge there. You have to create an imaginary edge there. So how do you do that? You come here, you bring it down like this, and let us call it 2 prime and 6 prime. So here we have 2 prime and 6 prime. Now let us draw the side elevation now. To draw the side elevation, the first thing is to draw perpendicular line. I'm sorry, and 60-degree angle to the first one like this. Draw your 45 degrees, sorry, not 60, it's 45 degree. Now let us extend the base too. Let's extend the base, and let's extend the top as well. Let's extend the top like that. So now we can now extend our line. Let's extend this one to our 45 degrees set square. Once it touches it, you take it upward. This one too, extend it to this place. This is for 4 and 1, and the 5 and 6 also do the same thing. Extend it there. We need to extend the line a little. The 45 degree. Aha. So now we can now draw the vertical line. Let me use the big set square. This one goes up. This is the middle. We don't, okay. You have to draw the middle because there's an edge there. And this one here, like this. Yes. So now that we have done that, let us now begin to transfer them one after the other. I want to start from one like this. Take 1 to the elevation and come and trace 1. This is 1 and 4 along this line. So our 1 is here. The next one is, let me erase this line so that it doesn't cause confusion. It's from the other drawing. Yeah, it doesn't cause confusion. So the next one is our 2 and 6. Take our 2 and 6 this way. 2 is coming here like this. It is meeting 2 here. Trace it back, you see it gets to 2. And 6 is at the bottom. Here it's going like this up to this point. If you trace it back to this place, it will lead you to 6. So what do we have next? Nothing. Because this 2 prime and 6 prime is at the top. Even if you trace it, it will still go to the top. So you don't have anything to do with it. So just draw your this thing like this. Connect this one here. Connect this one here. And the top will come from the top all the way to the bottom. Like this. Similarly, this other side. Take it all the way to the bottom. Connect the top with horizontal line. Then the bottom with horizontal line. Now take note, this edge is representing this corner. So you have to see it. So you have to make it thick line. You have to make it thick line. Like that. So that is that. And you section, we're going to section with 45 degrees set square because this thing has this angle of this one is 60 degrees set square. Remember I use 60 degrees set square to draw this. So if you section with 60 degree, it will be parallel to some of the lines. So we're going to use 45 degrees set square to section it like this. We're going to use 45 degrees set square. Section that point. Section it like that. Section it. So you make sure your section line are evenly spaced and they are not extending out of the boundaries. So that is the elevation direction of our X, and we have also done the complete plan. So let us complete it because the section line is not cutting like this. So we will not section all this side. The section area will stop at this point of 6 prime and 2 prime and 6 prime, which is here. So you taking this one all the way to the bottom like this and section only this part, and we're still going to use 45 degrees set square. If you use 30 degrees set square, let us see it. the 60 degrees set square, look at it now. You see that it is parallel to this line, and it is wrong for your section line to be parallel to any of the side of the object. So let us section with 45 degrees. Section this, section it just like that. Section it like that. Make sure your section line are not going out of the boundary of the object you are sectioning. Yes, that is the complete plan. Now what we are left with is the elevation in direction of the cut, the true shape of the cut plane. So we put this one on the cutting plane. Then you put another set square. Let me use this 61. You put this one on it like this. Then you make sure the line is parallel. Then you shift it a little bit backward. Then you can now use this one to draw the perpendicular lines like this, this, and this. It will enter inside that other drawing. So do I want to leave a space in between? Let me try and see if it will work. If I put a parallel line, no, that's too much. Let's say I put it here and draw it like this. So what do we have? You bring this out, you bring this out, and the base out, then draw a vertical line across it. It will definitely enter the other drawing. So this one is 6 prime and 5. Here we have 1 and 4. Here we have 2 prime and 3. These 3, 4, 5, definitely they won't have anything to do because the cutting plane did not reach that side. So we are only going to deal with this area. So let us transfer the point. That's the first thing to do, transfer the point. I'll put it on 6 and extend it to my 2 prime and 3 here. So I'll stay here now and mark it here. Then I'll now take it back and go to my 1 and 4. This is my 1 and 4 here like this. So I'll stay here and mark my 1 and 4. So those are the only 2 points we need. Now put your ruler on this one. You want to draw parallel line at this point and this point. So you now put this one here, shift it to that area, and you draw. Shift it to the next one, you draw like that. Let me label now. At the bottom we have 6 prime, 6 prime and 5. Here we have 1 and 4, 1, 4. Here we have 2 prime and 3. Of course, the 3 and 4 and 5, we are not going to use them, but let's just put them there. So let us connect 1 to 1, 1 to 1. You can see 1 is here, so they will meet at this point. Next one is 2 and 6. It will meet 6 here at this point, and it will meet 2 at this point. The other one is 2 prime and 6 prime. 2 prime and 6 prime is here. This is 6 prime at this point, and this is 2 prime at that point. So you just join like that. To come like this, it will go to this place. Then this one too will come like this and go to that place. Then the top will go like that. So that is the cut plane. Then we need to section it. Remember, we are using 45 degrees to section. Section it at 45 degrees. like this, this, section it, let the line be evenly spaced. Let the line be evenly spaced, and don't let the line go out of the boundary of the object you are sectioning. So that is the true shape of the cut plane. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Let me thicken out the layout of this one. It's very necessary. Like this, there's an edge here. We have this edge because we did not cut it at all, so everything will show. This one will be from the cutting plane to the base. This one too from cutting plane to the base. Then draw your base, straight line, thick line. Then this one too up to the cutting plane, and don't forget to thicken the cutting plane as well. Just give this one thick line like that. So that is the solution. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video. Meet in the next video.